Hey guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to be telling you all about the incredible safety features on Model Z Air. It includes anti-lock braking system, anti-sway technology, and dynamic brake boosters. The anti-lock braking system, also called ABS, is going to be integrated in with your trailer brakes. So what this is going to do is help prevent any wheel lockup in those emergency braking scenarios. We want to give you as much confidence as possible while you're towing, so we've also incorporated the True Course anti-sway technology, which is going to help keep your trailer in line with your tow vehicle. It's really great for those high wind scenarios or if you're getting passed by a semi. Last but not least, we have the dynamic brake boost, which is going to give additional braking power, again, in those emergency stopping scenarios. And the best part of this system is that it integrates with the Lippert Diagnostics app. So through your phone, you can get live diagnostics sent to your phone through notifications, and you also have access to a live towable odometer.